d by dx of f of x to the power of n is n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. We know the derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Tan cube x into differentiation of tan x is secant square x. This is the derivative of the function. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now in my previous class we have discussed regarding the differentiation of composite functions, that is function of a function, that is called chain rule. Now in this session also I will take few more problems on differentiation of composite functions, that is a chain rule. Now let us come to the first problem. Now differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one is tan to the power of 4x. Now let us consider this as y is equal to what is given, tan to the power of 4x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now this is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan to the power of 4x. Now in the last class we have discussed a formula, that is d by dx of f of x to the power of n is always equal to n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x to the power of n is n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. Here what is n? N is 4 into tan to the power of 4 minus 1x into d by dx of the function is tan x. That's it. Now this is equal to 4 times tan to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3, tan cube x into differentiation of tan x is secant square x. This is the derivative of the function. So here let y is equal to the given equation, tan to the power of 4x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan to the power of 4x. Now we know d by dx of f of x to the power of n is equal to n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of that inside function. So here n is equal to 4 tan to the power of 4 minus 1x into d by dx of tan x. So 4 into tan to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3, tan cube x into d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So the simplified answer is 4 tan cube x into secant square x. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. Y is equal to secant of secant x. Now consider y is equal to secant of secant x. Suppose if it is secant x, differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Instead of x, here it is secant x. So let us consider this as x. Then dy by dx is equal to differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. What is x here? X is nothing but secant x. So secant of secant x into tan of secant x into d by dx of secant x. That is inside function. That's it. See here, x is secant x, differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x into d by dx of secant x. So therefore the derivative dy by dx is also equal to y dash is equal to secant of secant x into tan of secant x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. That's the final answer. Secant of secant x, tan of secant x into secant x into tan x is the differentiated answer. That's it. These are the simple problems based on a chain rule. Now let us come to the next problem. This is also an important problem. 1 by 2 minus cos x whole cube. So to differentiate this, let us consider y is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos x whole cube, or this can also be written as, take this to the numerator, then this becomes 2 minus cos x whole to the power of minus 3. Now differentiate this, differentiating with respect to x, then what we will get, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this given function 2 minus cos x whole to the power of minus 3. Now therefore dy by dx can be written as, what is n here? F of x to the power of n. F of x is 2 minus cos x, to the power of n is minus 3. So this is minus 3 n into f of x 2 minus cos x to the power of minus 3 minus 1 into d by dx of this inside function, that is 2 minus cos x. Now differentiate this, minus 3 times 2 minus cos x all to the power of minus 4 into 2 constant minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this can be written as minus 3, bring this to the denominator, 2 minus cos x all to the power of plus 4, minus into minus plus into sin x. So the differentiated answer is minus 3x divided by 2 minus cos x to the power of 4 is the required answer. See here. Now here just take this to the numerator. So since you know the formula, 1 over a to the power of m is also equal to a to the power of minus m. So 2 minus cos x whole cube, when taken to the numerator, 2 minus cos x whole raised to minus 3. Now differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of this, d by dx of 2 minus cos x whole raised to minus 3, here n is equal to minus 3, 2 minus cos x whole raised to minus 3 minus 1 into d by dx of inside function 2 minus cos x. So minus 3 into 2 minus cos x whole raised to minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Now differentiate it, 0, derivative of constant is 0, minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus. So then this becomes minus 3 into cos sin x divided by, bring this to the denominator, 2 minus cos x to the power of 4, which is the simplified answer. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. So y is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. This is also very important. Let us consider y is equal to the given equation, log of secant x plus tan x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we will get, dy by dx is equal to, let us call it as log x. What is differentiation of log x? 1 over x, 1 over, instead of x it is secant x plus tan x into d by dx of this inside function, that is secant x plus tan x. Okay, this can be written as 1 over secant x plus tan x into, now differentiate this. So term by term differentiation, differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x and differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x plus derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Now in the numerator, here this is same, 1 over secant x plus tan x. Here in the numerator you can take one secant x common factor, then what is left? Tan x plus secant x. Now one secant x plus tan x gets cancelled, 1 into secant x is equal to secant x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to secant x. This is very important problem. So d by dx of log secant x plus tan x is always equal to secant x. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. This is also an important problem. Root of tan root x. Now let us consider this as y. Y is equal to root of tan root x. Now we know what is the derivative of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 over 2 root x. Now let us call it as x. Differentiating with respect to x, then this is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root of tan root x. Let us call it as x. Differentiation of root x is 1 over root x. Dy by dx is equal to 1 over 2 root x. 1 over 2 root tan root x into d by dx of inside root is tan root x. Okay. Now this is 1 over 2 times root of tan root x into differentiation of tan x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square root x into d by dx of root x. We have to do again, function of a function. So this is multiplied secant square root x divided by 2 times square root of tan root x into differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x. So If you want, you can multiply secant square root x divided by 2 into 2 is 4. 4 times root x into square root of tan root x is the simplified answer. If you want, you can stop or multiply. Numerator is same. This is 2 into 2 is 4 root x into root of tan root x is the simplified answer. Very simple. Just consider this as root x inside function. Differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x into d by dx of tan root x. Differentiation of tan is secant square root x into d by dx of root x is 1 over 2 root x. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to a similar type problem. Tan of log sin x. This is also an important problem. Y is equal to tan of log sin x. Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, if you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to, let us consider this as x. Now what is differentiation of tan x? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Secant square log of sin x into d by dx of inside function is log sin x. Again this is function of a function, call it as x. So this can be written as dy by dx is equal to secant square log of sin x into differentiation of log sin x is 1 over sin x into d by dx of sin x. Okay, see here, secant square log sin x as it is, log sin x is log x, differentiation of log x is 1 over x, instead of x it is sin x, 1 over sin x into d by dx of sin x. So the total answer for this is y dash is equal to secant square log of sin x into 1 over sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So you can write this as secant square log of sin x into cos by sin is cot x, which is the required answer. That's it. See here. So secant square log sin x as it is, cos by sin is cot x. Okay. Hope you followed this. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the problem given? Cot of x square plus 1 over x square. Now let us consider this as y is equal to cot of x square plus 1 over x square. Now differentiating with respect to x, now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cot of x square plus 1 by x square. Now let us call it as x. You know what is the derivative of cot x? Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So this can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus cosecant square x. X is nothing but x square plus 1 over x into d by dx of this inside function x square plus 1 over x. Okay. See here. So cot of x square plus 1 over x is cot x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Instead of x it is x square plus 1 over x square into d by dx of x square plus 1 over x square. This can be written as minus cosecant square x square plus 1 by x square into differentiate this. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus, you know, d by dx of 1 by x square. So d by dx of 1 by x square can also be written as d by dx of x to the power of minus 2. What is n here? N is minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 x raised to minus 3. This is minus 2 by x cube. So differentiation of 1 over x square is minus 2 divided by x cube. Now simplify this. So therefore the required answer dy by dx or y dash is equal to minus cosecant square x square plus 1 by x square into 2x minus 2 by x cube. This is the simplified answer. Very important problem and very easiest problem. Just consider this as cot x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x into d by dx of inside function x square is 2x and 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. y is equal to log of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So, this can be differentiated using any method. First method, log x, differentiation of log x d by, I will teach both the methods. In the first method, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, let us call it as log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now, just take this to the numerator, it goes to the numerator, 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square into, this is u by v, numerator by denominator, 1 plus x square into differentiation of one constant, x square is minus 2x, minus numerator 1 minus x square into differentiation of denominator, x square is 2x divided by denominator square, 1 plus x square whole square. One term gets cancelled here. What you will have, y dash is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. In the numerator, you can take 2x common factor, minus 1 minus x square, multiply by negative side, minus 1, minus into minus plus x square divided by 1 plus x square is there in the denominator. Now, cancel the terms. So, what happens here? Minus x square plus x square gets cancelled, 1 by 1 minus x square into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4x divided by 1 plus x square. So, this can be written as minus 4x divided by 1 into 1 is 1 minus x square into x square is x to the power of 4. Minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4 is the derivative for this function. This is one method. Okay. See here, differentiation of log x is 1 over x. 1 over x is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Reciprocate it. This goes to the numerator, 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square into d by dx of u by v. Denominator, differentiation of x square is 2x minus numerator, differentiation of x square is 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. One term in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. So, what you have, 1 by 1 minus x square into, you can take 2x common factor. So, minus 1 minus x square minus 2x minus into minus plus. So, sorry, minus 1 minus into minus plus, plus x square minus x square gets cancelled, minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4x by, so the required answer is minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4. This is one method. Now, you can use another method by logarithmic method, that is logarithmic formula. I will take second method. Second method, in the second method, this y can be written as, there is one formula, logarithm of m by n to base a is equal to log m to base a minus log n to base a. Logarithm of m by n is log m minus n. So, this can be written as logarithm of 1 minus x square minus logarithm of 1 plus x square. So, log m by n is log m minus n. Now, differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x, then what you will get, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 by x, 1 by 1 minus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square, 1 is constant, x square is minus 2x, minus, again differentiation of log x is 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus x square into differentiation of x square is 2x. So, this can be written as y dash is equal to minus 2x by 1 minus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now, you can take 2x common factor, minus 1 by 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is 1. Now, take LCM and simplify, 2x into, now you can take 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square as the LCM, cross multiplied, minus 1 minus x square, minus 1 minus into minus plus x square, minus x square plus x square gets cancelled, this is 2x into minus 1 is minus 2 divided by 1 minus into minus plus x square into x square is x to the power of 4, this is equal to minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4 is the simplified answer. This is the another method. So, in both the cases, we will get dy by dx as minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4. That's it. Hope you followed. Right. Let us come to the next problem. If y is equal to log of x plus root of 1 plus x square, find dy by dx. This is also an important problem indeed. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. Now, let us call it as x, log x. What is derivative of log x? D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So, this is 1 by x is x plus root of 1 plus x square into d by dx of inside function x plus root of 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, this can be written as, keep this as it is 1 by x plus root of 1 plus x square into, differentiate this. Differentiation of x is 1 plus again root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x. 1 over 2 root 1 plus x square into d by dx of x square is 2x. So, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What you will get? Dy by dx is equal to, this is same 1 over x plus root of 1 plus x square into 1 plus, what is left over in the numerator is x divided by root of 1 plus x square. Now, this is same 1 over x plus root of 1 plus x square into, take LCM, root of 1 plus x square is the LCM, cross multiply it, root of 1 plus x square into 1 is root of 1 plus x square. So, see in the numerator and denominator, these two terms gets cancelled and what is left is 1 by root of 1 plus x. So, therefore, dy by dx is always equal to 1 by 1 plus x square for this problem. So, the derivative of this function is, so dy by dx is equal to, that is y dash is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square. That's it. Very simple and very important problem indeed. Okay. Now, let us come to the last problem in this session. So, y is equal to x to the power of 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. This is also an important problem indeed. Now, here differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power of 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. Now, if you observe carefully, this is of the form u by v. So, denominator sin x into d by dx of numerator x raised to 5 minus cos x minus numerator x raised to minus 5 cos x into d by dx of denominator sin x divided by denominator square sin x whole square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. So, dy by dx is equal to sin x into differentiation of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus minus x raised to 5 minus cos x as it is, and differentiation of sin x is again cos x divided by the denominator is sin x the whole square. So, if you want, you can multiply. So, multiply this, sin x into 5x raised to 4 is 5x raised to 4 sin x plus sin x into sin is sin square x. Then multiply cos x into this, cos x minus x raised to 5 cos x minus into minus plus cos into cos is cos square x divided by, in the denominator you have sin x whole square. If you want, you can stop here itself, or you can further simplify. Y dash is equal to 5x raised to 4 sin x, 5x raised to 4 sin x minus x to the power of 5 times cos x plus this sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x can be written as 1 plus 1 divided by the denominator sin x whole square or sin square x. This is the simplified answer for this problem. Okay, that's it. See, if you want, you can stop here itself, or 5x raised to 4 sin x minus x raised to 5 cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 divided by sin x whole square or sin square x. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the problem. So, these are all few types of problems based on differentiation of a composite function, that is function of a function using chain rule. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.